you stuck in a rut with your trading game in the meme coin market? And are you wondering how the hell do people make serious amounts of cash in meme coins? I'm telling you now, it's not trading, it's deving. Follow this video and I will show you a step-by-step process that allows me to dev coins and make money consistently. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay, folks, we are nearly at the live demonstration portion of this video, and this is a coin that I wanted us to have a look at because it is quite interesting. So you can see right off the bat, there is an initial massive spike in investment in this coin. And I reckon that's probably the dev buying their own coin to, boost it up on the market. And, I think they're making a bit of a mistake here because as you can see, because of that, not a lot of people actually have much faith in this coin. And I don't think even the dev is going to make a great deal of money here on this coin. Now, my method when I dev, you don't need to do this. There are initial investments you must make, of course, but it's done in a much smarter way where you don't put too much of your capital at the total risk and the total whims of the traders, meaning we can have nice, consistent P&Ls on single transactions, just like this guy's here, okay? So, speaking of, let's get down to it. We are going to be using createcoin.fun. This is a platform that doesn't require coding, but allows you to dev your own coins, all right? So what I do is I like to use createcoin.fun. I get about $100 worth of Solana, and I start deving coins and making some serious cash, okay? That's what we do. There's no need to code anymore. That's no longer a barrier. Because of sites like createcoin.fun, you can get your coin, push a few buttons, and you are good to go to make some serious money. All right, now one of the first things is important to know about CreateCoin is the market that it uses. Most coin devs end up on Pump, and Pump's great and all, but it's just too busy. There's too many shit coins constantly being produced on the Pump market, and that means that your coin really struggles to get past the noise. Only the well-established coins or the lucky ones manage to get through and make any serious kinds of money. But if we switch over to use Dynamic on Terminal, we can have a look at the Matora market instead. Now, Matora is a different story altogether. There is way more room to grow on Matora because, as you can see, the market caps overall are much higher, even with cloned coins. So that's good news for us because that's partially what we are going to do. So you want to launch your own coin, right? First things first, you're going to need to have some initial investment. So I've got just over $100 worth of Solana in my wallet at the moment, and that's the amount that we are going to use to create our coin and make our cash. So connect your wallet, hit Phantom, you're good to go. Now, typically, when you would use a site like CreateCoin, you would create your own coin from scratch. Now, that you can base on whatever the hell you want, doesn't really matter. You can create a symbol, you can base it on a film or a meme or celebrity, a tweet, whatever you want, right? But we aren't actually going to do that. We're going to do something different. I said about cloning coins earlier, didn't I? We are going to use the copy trending tool. Now, this is a fun tool that allows you to take coins that are already doing well on Pump. So these are concepts that have already been proven in a more hostile market and migrate them over to the Matora market. So that's good news for us because it means that all the hard work has already been done. So you can see here that you have got their market caps, you've got their names, and when they were last paired. All right, so you can use that information to pick a coin that's right for you to copy over. So I could pick any one of these, but if I'm not happy, instead I can hit a refresh and I can have a look at some of these coins. Let's not pick Grand Theft Auto 6 because that's never going to come out. Let's see, Eric without the eye. Why not? That sounds pretty fun. It's got a decent market cap, and for the amount of time I'm going to run it, having a lower market cap doesn't really matter. So let's do that. Now, first of all, you need to hit proceed on the request blocked. You need to hit confirm, tick the box, and click confirm again. This is just showing you that your market capital is at risk. So you could, obviously, with all things meme coin wise, you can lose it, of course. So there we go. So we're done. So we've created our token, and we now need to create our liquidity pool. So what we do here is we are investing an initial amount of our Solana into the coin to give it some value. You can see here you've got its name, you've got its amount of tokens, but you don't need to change any of that. That isn't important to us. The only thing that matters at this stage is the amount of Solana. So we are going to change our amount of Solana to 0.2. But I've done a bit of experimenting with this, and I find that 0.2 is the best to work with in terms of you've not got too much, so you don't have to worry about overheads, and it's enough to get the coin rolling so that you can get some initial activity. But there's another step later on that will sort of guarantee that. Okay, so here we go. We are going to create our pool now, and we confirm that transaction, and then once that's done, it'll take a few minutes, and then we will be live and ready to go. So here we are. We have got our coin here, and you can see the name, the pool, the amount of pooled sol, the tokens, and the estimated value, which currently sits at around 15 $15. Okay, brilliant. Now, we need to click this lightning bolt button and we need to boost our token. This is a crucial step in this process. It is the last one before we extract the wealth. So we need to make sure that we boost our token to get in front of all those bots and all the trend chasers, because they're going to be the ones that will give us the initial kick that makes our coin hyped, okay? Otherwise, it will take a really long time. So let's hit the 1 hour boost for 0.25 Sol. This, again, as I said, a crucial part if you want to make your money quickly and consistently. Those bots are really going to help us. So let's confirm that there. And then we are now going to have a look on Deck Screener and we'll see how our coin does. So here is it at the start. We're going to get an initial update and market cap already nearly 1,000. That's brilliant. Okay, there we go. It's nearly to 2K. So you can see here, guys, the compounding, factors such as better market conditions, a coin that's already proven, and the boost work together to produce a very active coin. And now that we've got more than our initial investment, well more, at any point we can pull out and make some serious money. So if you would like to earn half of what I make on this coin, you can like, subscribe, and leave a comment, and I will put you in a prize draw where you could win half of what I make on this coin. We are back on createcoin.fund now, and I've hit refresh, and now we are going to have a look at our value as it stands. Remember, we started at $15 with the 0.2 Sol. We can have a look at both those numbers and see how they have increased, because a bunch of people have put their Solana into our coin. And now what we're going to do is be on the right end of a rug pull. This is what it feels like, guys. $800 sitting there, 10 whole Solana coins, extract 100% of that wealth, put it in our pocket, and it's as easy as that, guys. You hit the minus button, look at the phantom wallet, from $100 to $800, just like that. Get on this method, guys, because soon enough, everybody's going to be doing it.